We'll guide you through how to improve your ChatGPT skills to get the most out of your interactions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website to start a new session. It's important to always begin with clear and specific prompts. Instead of asking vague questions, try to be as detailed as possible about what you need. For instance, if you're looking for information on a specific topic, mention what aspect you're interested in. Next, remember to use follow-up questions to dig deeper into responses that interest you this way. You can guide the conversation in the direction you want. Another tip is to experiment with rephrasing your questions if you don't get the answer you're looking for initially. Sometimes a slight change in wording can yield better results. You can also make use of the conversation history feature to reference past interactions, helping you maintain context and continuity in your sessions. If you're not satisfied with the response, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT to try again or clarify its answer. Consistently practicing these strategies will enhance your skills and make your interactions with ChatGPT more productive and enjoyable. Finally, take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform's features and updates, as these can provide additional tools to refine your experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.